wasalna għall-iktar moment mistenni għal-lejla.
The winner is Destiny Cicoliere.
Destiny, ir-rebbieħa tal-Malta Junior Eurovision Song Contest 2015.
Feel the fire in your soul. Lets you know you will never, never be alone. Oh my God! I don't know. I'm so excited. Thank you, Europe. Try to take away my soul, but what you don't know, there's no way.
Now it's time to get the final votes from all participating countries, which will determine the winner of 2015 Junior Eurovision Song Contest.
Our 12 points go to Malta! Malta! Go to Malta!
Malta!
Malta! Malta! Malta! Malta!
Malta!
Malta!
Destiny, go to Malta!
12 points go to who else? Malta!
Malta, u Malta titla fil-qoċċata fadal bis l-aħħar pajjiż biex jivvota.
10 points go to
The winner of 2015